Good morning, friends. In this video, we will learn about wavelength selectors or monochromators in a UV visible spectrophotometer. Wavelength selectors or monochromators are used to separate a particular wavelength or range of wavelengths from a polychromatic light. There are three types of wavelength selectors or monochromators. They are filters, prisms, and gratings. First, we will study about filters. First, we will study about filters. These filters will have more bandwidth and they are inexpensive. These filters are not commonly used in present UV visible spectrophotometers. There are two types of filters. They are absorption filters and interference filters. First one, absorption filters. They work by absorption of unwanted radiation and transmission of selective radiation. Example for absorption filters are glass filters and gelatin filters. Glass filters bandwidth may exceed 150 nanometers. Gelatin filters bandwidth will be about 25 nanometers. Next, interference interference filters. They work by interference of light waves to eliminate unwanted radiation. They will have narrow bandwidth than absorption filters. Next, we will study about prisms. When a white polychromatic light passes through a prism, separation of different wavelengths occurs, and that leads to the formation of a spectrum from which a required wavelengths can be selected. For UV region, prisms made of quartz are used as glass absorbs wavelengths lower than 330 nanometers. For a visible region, glass prisms can be used. And third one, gratings. Modern UV visible spectrophotometers will have gratings as monochromators. These gratings will have very large number of equispaced lines, about 200 to 2000 lines per millimeter, ruled on a glass surface. There are two types of gratings. First one is diffraction grating and second one is transmission grating. First we will study about diffraction grating. Most commonly used grating is diffraction grating. In this grating, a deposit of aluminium is made on a glass surface to make it reflective. So it works by reflection. And next one, transmission grating. This is similar to diffraction grating, but refraction occurs instead of reflection, as aluminium coat is not available on glass surface. Let's answer few questions related to this topic. First one, gelatin filters will have bandwidth of about A 150 nanometers, B 25 nanometers, C 50 nanometers, D none of the above. You can pause the video and guess the correct answer. 25 nanometers is the correct answer. Gelatin filters have bandwidth of about 25 nanometers. Second question. For UV region, quartz prisms and for visible region, glass prisms are used. Is this statement is true or false? This statement is true. For UV region, quartz prisms are used and for visible region, glass prisms are used. Third question. In diffraction grating, the dash metal is coated on a glass surface to make it reflective. A. Nickel, B. Tungsten, C. Aluminium. Aluminium is coated on a glass surface in diffraction grating to make it reflective. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.